Hello everyone. Welcome to Edu Vedanta Smart Classes. Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Republic Day on the 26th of January, even though the Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949? Let's go back in time to uncover a powerful story of resolve, courage, and the dream of a free India. It was December 1929. The Indian National Congress convened in Lahore under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The country was buzzing with the desire to break free from British rule. And then, in this historic session, something extraordinary happened. On the banks of the Ravi River, the Congress passed a resolution that would change the course of India's struggle for freedom. This was the Poorna Swaraj resolution, the declaration of complete independence. It was a bold step, a line drawing in the sand against British imperialism. To mark this historic decision, the Congress decided that 26th January 1930 would be celebrated as Independence Day. Across the country, people pledged to fight for Poorna Swaraj, complete self-rule. It was a day of unity, hope, and determination. For years, 26th January was celebrated as Independence Day, even though India remained under British rule. It became a symbol of our aspirations, a reminder of the promise we made to ourselves. Then came 1947, and India finally achieved independence on 15th August. While this was a moment of great joy, the leaders of independent India wanted to honor the legacy of 26th January. It was decided that the Constitution of India would come into effect on 26th January 1950. This was not just a legal decision. It was a tribute to the spirit of the Poorna Swaraj resolution and the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. And so, 26th January became Republic Day, the day India declared itself a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. It's a day that connects our present with our past, reminding us of the dreams and struggles that built our nation. So, the next time you celebrate Republic Day, remember, this date is not just about parades or ceremonies. It's a tribute to a resolution passed in 1930, a promise of complete independence, and the foundation of our democracy. Jai Hind.